Addition.
Addition.
No, balancing rule is not an addition, not a subtraction, not a division, and not a multiplication. It is just an application and which can be used for these mathematical operations. Okay, it is just an application.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Suppose I'll give some numbers like 23 balance with 105 balance with 39 balance with 7 balance with 24. Tell how to balance these numbers from left to right or right to left?
Right to left.
Right to left. We have to move. Okay. What to do? What we have to do?
So I'll bring the 4 down and carry the 2 to
Dropping units
Dropping.
place
units place
and carry forwarding
Carry
remaining
the-
number.
then space.
Whatever may be the remaining number, and we have to bring that number to the before number 2. So 2 plus 7 it is
9.
9, as it is a single digit, 1 digit number, directly we can take it. Next, after that, there is a 2 digit
Dropping.
number again.
Dropping the units place.
Yeah, drop units place, that is 9, and carry
And carrying
forward
the remaining number 3.
remaining number, that is 3. And 105 plus 3 is
108.
in that 108 units place is
8.
8, and the remaining number
10 will go to 20.
10 will go to 23 and becomes
33.
33. Now it is the last number, that's why we have to bring as it is 33, as it is 33 only. So this is the result of balancing rule. Okay, and I am
Yes.
repeatedly telling this is not the result of any mathematical operation. We'll use its application. Already we have used it, right, in solving these questions. I think I have solved 2 questions, and I asked you to solve the remaining questions. Anyone completed remaining questions? No.
Us. That I actually couldn't do my homework. I had my school assignments.
Okay, but we I have given this homework in the last class. Last class means almost it is 1 week or 5-6 days.
Yes, sir. I tried to.
Okay, so we already done A and B, and you try to solve the remaining questions. If you want, I will solve them. Let us do anyone.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ipsita.
Where can you find the questions, like to do them? Where do you find them?
Okay, you are not there in Google Classroom. Are you not there in Google Classroom?
I am in the Google Classroom.
Then you will get it. You will find it in material.
Okay.
Okay, at the end, just remind me, I will show the Google Classroom.
I can't see it in that. We can only see like 2 YouTube videos.
YouTube video is there, and yes, along with that, there is a PDF also.
Okay. Okay. Thank
You
you.
have to open that PDF. Okay, ma. Anyone, any question? Shall we do it now, or we'll go to the next slide? We'll see E.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You may start from 100s place, or you may start from 1's place. Any place is okay. And Angel, you tell me 100s place sum.
5 plus 1 is equal.
No, that is a normal way. But what is our Vedic approach? You forget all the things. You have to complete the numbers first. Complete numbers first.
Okay.
Select the numbers such that the numbers making 10. Numbers sum up to 10.
Okay. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10.
Okay.
And then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 5 is equal to 10.
Very good. And the remaining is?
1.
Altogether?
11.
No. 10 plus 10 plus 1.
You can put
22.
21. 10 plus 10 plus 1.
Oh, sorry.
21. Okay. And Ikshita, you tell the middle row. Sorry, middle column.
Okay, so
Search for tens first.
okay, 8 plus 2 is 10.
Okay, one is 8 plus 2.
4 plus 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 2 is also 10.
4, 4, and then 2 becomes another 10. And here also remaining 1 only.
So
No?
it's 21 again.
Again, it is 21. Okay. Then who is this dot? What is your name? Dot.
Avni. Yes, sorry, I can't rename myself. So
What's your name?
Avni.
Afini. Okay. Afini, can you tell the units place sum? Search for tens first.
So 9 and 1 is 10.
Okay. 9 and 1 is 10. Next.
And then 7 and 2 is 9, and then add 1, so that'd be 10.
This becomes another 10. Next is
And then the
all together
6.
26. 7. Okay. Now we can apply balancing. Tell me the result. Drop 6.
drop
Yeah.
6 and carry the 2 to 21, which
Carry
makes
2 to
it 20,
21.
which makes
23.
it 23. Drop the units place and carry the remaining numbers,
Dropping
Which
3 and
is-
carry 2 forward.
which is 22,
23.
23.
So this is the answer for this question. Okay.
Okay.
Right. We'll do one more exercise. Anvesha, explain A.
Okay, sir.
Which column first?
Tens place.
Okay.
So 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 plus 4, 10,
Okay.
and 10 plus 2, 12.
12. Okay.
For the units place, 7 plus 3, 10,
Hmm.
and 10 plus 6, 16, and 16
No, no, no.
plus
7 plus 3, 10. And another 6 plus 6.
oh, okay.
12. 12 plus 10.
12 plus 10, 22.
22. Now balance them.
So dropping the units place 2, then carrying the other 2 to 12, that's
Okay.
14. So 142.
142. That's the answer. Next, Ananya.
Yeah.
Can you do C?
Yes,
Carry on.
the tens place.
Okay.
7 plus 3 is
7 plus 3 is 10. Okay.
8 plus 4 is 12. So
12.
10 plus 12 is 22,
22. Okay.
and units place. 9 plus 1 is 10.
9 plus 1 is 10. Okay.
8 plus 8 is 16.
Okay.
16 is 26.
10 plus 16 is 26. Okay.
Now 26 go down.
This will go down.
Then the 2 will be added to 22.
Okay.
54, and the answer is 240.
246. Correct. Okay. Can you do this later, B, as your homework?
Yes, sir.
Not only B, there are 2 more questions. Okay. Right. We'll see one more new sutra, that is Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam. Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam, by the addition and by the subtraction. Sankalana means by addition, nothing but collecting the things. Sankalana means collecting the things. Vyavakalana means removing the things, nothing but subtraction. See, in the last class, suppose this type of question is given, any number like 52 plus 9. Suppose if this is the question, what is our last class approach? Tell, Angel.
First make 10 or divide it like 50 and then 2.
2 and then 9. Okay, splitting and adding. That is one way. Or we may complete 9 by taking 1 from 52. Okay, see, according to this sutra, the approach is here actually for 52 we have to add 9, right? But instead of adding 9, I think it is easy to add 10. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Tell me 52 plus 10 is how much?
62.
62. Because we have added 1 extra, now we can remove that 1 from 62. Becomes
61.
61. That's the answer. Okay. See here on a number line. On the number line. So suppose this is the number 52. Here, first we will add 10 because it is easy to add. And the number becomes 62. And in place of 9, we have added 10, means we have added 1 extra. Then we are coming back. And by subtracting that 1, becomes 61. 1 second. 61. Okay. That's our answer. This is on the number line. So we'll move forward and we'll come back. How many positions we have considered extra? Those many positions will come back. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, tell me, number like 50 or like 65 plus 90. Tell me, instead of adding 19, we will add
20.
20. If you add 20 to 65, becomes
85.
85. But actually we have to add 19. But in place of 19, we have added 20, means we have considered already 1 extra. And now we can remove that 1 from 85.
84.
84. So we are helping them and we are taking back later. So 84 is the answer. So with this concept and with this terminology, we'll do one exercise. Anvesha, yeah.
Okay, so sir, instead of adding 55 and 9, we can add 55 and 10. So it
Okay.
will become 65.
65.
Because we added 55 with 10 instead of 9, we took one number.
Okay.
So it will become 64.
64, correct. And then Ananya, B.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
64 plus 9.
Yeah.
In we add 10, so it becomes 74. And because we added 10 instead of 9, we take away 1, which results in it being 73.
73. And in the end number concept, in the starting classes, in the earlier classes, we already know whatever the number combining with 9 will get one number less than that number. Yes or no? Whatever the number combining with 9, this number is combining with 9 means simply will get units place. I'm telling you about units place. Units place will get one number less than that number.
73.
Becomes 73. Okay, Afini, can you do D? D. Afini, I think. Afini?
For B, we could do 64 instead of 64 plus 9.
D,
we do six-
D. B is already over. No? D. D for Delhi.
So we could add 73 plus 10 instead of 9. So
Okay.
that will be 83. Then we'd have to subtract 1. So it'd be 72.
No, no, no.
Oh, no, 82.
Ah, yeah, 82. Then Ipsita, E.
Okay, so 82, sorry, 9 we would make that 10, so 82 plus 10 is
We are not making
9.
9 as 10. We are just considering in place of 9, we are considering 10. Add 10 to 82.
82 plus 10 is 92, and then because we added one more, we would subtract 1 and it's 81.
Becomes 81. Correct.
Yeah.
You can do the remaining questions later. We'll do one more exercise. Yeah. Angel B.
B, okay.
BB.
So,
B for Bombay.
so to complete 9,
No. We are in Vitsutra. It is not completion or non-completion. It is, what is the sutra? Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam. Adding extra, remove later.
Yes, sir.
Instead of adding 29, you will add?
So 1 to 9.
No, you will add 30 to 55.
Yes, sir.
Simply consider this number as 30. And now add to 50, 55.
55.
Becomes?
So 55, 66, 88.
55 plus 30.
85,
85.
and 85 minus 1.
Yeah. 85 minus 1 will be
4. 85.
84.
84.
84. That's your answer. Okay, then Anvesha.
Yes,
F.
sir.
F.
Okay, sir. So, instead of adding 26 with 59, I'll add 30 with 59.
We'll do that later. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that later. As of now, consider 60.
We'll consider it as 60 and add it with 26, which is 86. And because instead of adding it with instead of adding it with
59, instead of adding 59, you added?
Yeah, 60.
60.
So, I'm getting confused.
Just remove one because we have already taken took one extra.
We'll remove 1, so 85.
85, correct. 86 actually, according to that 60 minus 1 will be 85. Okay, and Anvesha, you tried it already, and we are going to see that one also. This is not only applicable for this type of rule, or this type of approach is not only applicable for the numbers ending with 9, and it is also applicable for the numbers ending with 8, numbers ending with 7, numbers ending with 6, and up to 5 we can do. Up to 5 suggestible, and even below 5 numbers also it is okay, but up to 5 it is suggestible. So any numbers ending with these digits, so we can apply this Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam.
Good morning. Morning. Going class.
Okay. For any numbers ending with 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5, we can apply this Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam. And can you do the remaining questions?
As homework.
Yes,
As
sir.
homework.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll move on to the next exercise. See, here there are some numbers ending with 9, and there are some numbers ending with 8. There are some numbers ending with 7. Instead of adding 9, we will add 10 and subtract 1. Suppose if the number is ending with 8, then
Add 10 and subtract 2.
yes, very good. Instead of adding 8, we will add 10 and then subtract 2. In place of 7,
Add 10 and
Add
subtract
10 and subtract 3.
subtract 3. In place of 6,
Add 10 and subtract 4.
subtract 4. If it is 16,
Add 20 and subtract
20 and subtract 4.
subtract 4. Very good. If it is 37,
Add
Add
40 and
40
subtract
and
3.
subtract 4.
yeah, very good. So just a second. Yes. Which one will do? Okay. Ipsita, your question is A. First question.
Okay. So we will make 18 20. So 44 plus 20 is 64, and minus 2 would be 62.
Correct. Then Afini B. Second question.
So you add 30 and
Okay.
then subtract 3,
Okay. How much it will be?
71.
Yeah, 44 plus 30 is 74 minus 3. Okay, we are doing these questions using pen and paper, but when it is better practice, it is best to practice them in the mind only. In the mind only, we have to calculate. Instead of adding 27, it is better to add 30, and then after adding 30, we can remove that 3. Okay, solve these questions mentally. Next, Anvesha, your question is D for Delhi.
Okay, sir. So,
Okay.
sir, instead of adding 37 with 35, I'll add 40 with 35, which is 75. And
Okay.
because I added 40 instead of 37, I will subtract 3, which is 72.
72. Correct. And then
86 of your answer.
H, Ananya.
Sir.
H. Question number H.
So instead of 29, I'll make it 30. And
Okay.
30, 28 is 58. And then
Okay.
from 58, I'll subtract 1, which is 57. So the answer.
Yeah. So here we can complete or we can consider 29 as 30, or we can consider Ananya, or we can consider
Sir, what?
this is one way. Instead of 29, we can consider 30. Or in another way, we can, instead of 28 also, we can consider 30. Or see one more way. Simply, I'll take this number as 30 and this number also 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. How much I took extra? Here 2 extra, here 1 extra. Together
3.
3 extra. Okay, 3 extra. 60 minus that 3 will be
7.
57 again. So applying this, tell the answer for this. Instead of 19 plus 19, we'll do 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20?
40.
40. How much I took extra?
1, 1, 2.
2 extra. Means it will be?
20 minus 2. 20.
No. 20 plus 20, 40. We
40,
took 2 extra. 40 minus 2.
38.
38. Easy. Instead of direct addition, is it not better?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
We consider this number as 20 and this number also 20. Here we consider 1 extra. Here also we took 1 extra. That's why we are subtracting that 2 from the last resultant number. Okay. Next, we'll see one more. Here you may consider the first number or second number as the round number, whichever nearest to the base number, consider that number as the round number. Again, we'll start with Angel.
Yes, sir.
Your question is B.
B. Okay, sir. So 38 we turn into 40,
Okay.
and 40 plus 33 is equal to 33, 44, 43, 53, 63, 73, 73.
73.
73 minus 73 minus 2 is equal to 71.
2 equal to 71. Yes. 71. Okay. Even when you are counting that 33 plus 40 also, 33 plus 40 also, simply you can do in this way. 30 plus 40
is equal to 30 plus 40 is equal to 70.
3 plus 4 is Angel. 3 plus 4?
70 or 7.
3 plus 4 is 7. 30 plus 40?
70.
70. And then 3 again. 70. Okay. Ipsita, C.
Okay, I would make 35 into 40. So 48 plus 40.
38. 38. Making 38 as 40 is easy, or making 48 as 50 is easy.
Wait, which question did you say?
See.
Oh, okay. I would.
Numbers nearest to base is better.
Okay, 48. I would make that 50. So
Okay.
50 plus 35 is 85, and then 85 minus 2 is 83.
83. Correct. Then, Afini, your question is D. D for Delhi.
So for D,
Hmm.
I would make 27 into 30,
Okay.
and then that'd be 30 plus 34.
Hmm.
So that'd be 4. And then I would subtract 3, so that'd be 31.
How much?
I'm sorry, I meant 61. Sorry.
Okay.
I keep going.
Yeah. Next, Anvesha. H.
Yes, sir. So, sir, instead of adding 27 with 26, I will add 30 with 26, which is 56. And because I added 30 instead of 27, I will subtract 3 from 56, which is 53.
Which is 53.
Just 53.
Yeah. Then, so till now we have used this Sankalana-Vyavakalanaabhyam for additions or subtractions. All these things are additions or subtractions.
All of them are addition.
All are additions only. And we can use this same sutra for subtractions also. See how it will be. In the previous case, for any number like 26, to add 9, we took, in place of 9, we took
10.
we took 10, and later we subtracted that one. Because we have already considered one extra, we will remove that. So 36 minus 1 will be 30. Fine. This is the approach till now. Okay. Suppose if the question is 26 minus 9, then
Sir, instead of subtracting 9, we can subtract with 10.
yeah, instead of subtracting 9, we can subtract 10 because it is easy. Always we'll try to make the numbers round numbers. So now we'll subtract 10 in place of 9. So then this becomes 26
16.
minus 10 is how much?
16.
16. In place of 9, we have subtracted 10 means we have extra. We have subtracted one extra. Then we have to give back.
We'll subtract 1 from 16.
No. That is what I'm telling. See. Instead of 9, we have subtracted 10 means we have already took one extra.
Yes.
Then we have to give back. Give back means add that one to the last number, resultant number. Okay. So here we have added one extra. That is why we are subtracting that one. And here we have already subtracted one extra.
So we'll add.
Then we'll add that one. Becomes 17.
17.
Understood this point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then you can explain these questions. Ananya, 44. Sorry, 44 minus 19. Ananya.
Yeah, miss.
Or minus.
So 19 can become 20 and 44 minus 20 would become 24, and because I took 20 instead of 19, I
One
need
second.
to sub 20 and 19. I need to I need to subtract one more.
One more
So-
we have to subtract. Just to see one time. See here. Just see here. We are making this procedure as a shortcut. What is that procedure is 44. Suppose, let me explain here only. Can I consider this first question like this? See, and tell yes or no. 26 plus 9. This is our question, right?
Yes.
I am making this question like I'm making this question like a 26. I am writing 9 as 10 minus 1, correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 26 and 9 I am writing as 10 minus 1. So now we can remove this bracket. Removing this bracket, we will do up to this point and later minus 1. Okay, 26 plus 10 is 36. Minus 1 will be 35. This is the actual mathematical approach. But simply we are telling in place of 9 we are adding 10, then we will subtract later. And see the similar way, if the question is like a 26 minus 9, this question will consider like a 26 minus of 9. Can I write it as a 10 minus 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Then see 26 minus 10 minus 10. Tell me, minus of minus is how much? Minus into minus becomes plus how much? 1. So first we will do up to this part and later we have to add 1. Why we are adding 1? Because we already subtracted 1 extra and at the end we have to add that 1. Got it? 26 minus 10 is 16 and then plus 1. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to your question, 44, instead of 19, we subtracted 20. We have subtracted extra or less?
A bit extra, sir. Just one.
1 extra. And we have to give back now.
Yes, sir.
Because we took 1 extra and we'll give back that 1. So becomes?
So it be 24. So
24 plus 1.
25.
25. Okay, Anvesha, your question is B.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can I like say using the bracket one? Like,
No.
Okay.
Using the bracket, that is a mathematical approach and that is a linear one.
oh, okay, sir. Okay. So, 66 minus 29, instead of subtracting with 29, I'll subtract with 30.
Okay.
So, it will become 36.
Okay.
And then I will add a 1 because we subtracted with 30 instead of 29. So, 37.
Becomes 37. Easy. Then Afni, your question is C. C.
So first, yeah. So we can make 88 into 80. I mean, sorry, into 90.
No, which is better? 49. Making 49 is better.
So we can do 88.
88, keep it as it is. 88, keep it as it is. In place of 49, we'll consider.
We'll get 50. Can make it 50.
Okay. Now subtraction is easy.
Yeah.
Tell me, 88 minus 50. Sorry,
38.
38. Okay. Then any operation? Any other operation, or is 38? 38 is the answer.
And then you subtract by 1, so it can be 37.
We have to subtract one, or we have to add one.
We have to subtract it.
Afini, see
No,
here.
add.
Yeah. See here.
Add.
Okay. See. For 88, actually we have to subtract 49, right? Fini. From 88, actually we have to subtract 49. But in place of 49, we subtracted 50. We have subtracted already one extra. Then we have to give back that one. And the final answer will be 39. Okay. So in the previous case, if the number is ending with 9, suppose if the number is ending with 9, we added 10 extra. We have added 10 extra and we subtracted 1 at the end. Yes, sir. All of you, are you there?
Yes, we did.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In the previous case, instead of adding 9, we added 10 and we from the result we subtracted that one. But now in this case, instead of subtracting 9, we will subtract 10 and at the end we'll add that one. Okay. Suppose if any number is ending with 8, in the previous case, adding any number ending with 8, we have added tell me, if any number adding with 8, we have added 10, then subtracted 2 later at the end. But now here, if you want to add, if you want to subtract 8, then we will subtract
10.
10 and finally we will add that
2.
2.
That's true.
Okay. In place of 8, we are subtracting 10 means we are subtracting 2 extra. That is why we have to give back that 2. Okay. Now Angel, F. Your question is F.
Okay. 48. It's 50.
Okay.
50. And then I add 50. I subtract 72 minus 50. 72 minus 50 is 22.
Yeah.
And then I add 2 to 22 is equal to 24.
Yes, very good. 22
So,
plus 2 will be. Tell me.
I realized something.
Tell me.
So, whatever I did in addition, I do the opposite in the subtraction.
Exactly. Correct. There, how much you took extra, that much you are subtracted. That much you have to subtract. Here, how much you took extra, that much you have to add. Yes. And I need this type of observations. Okay, Ipsita, your question is J.
Okay. So I would make 66 into 70. So
Okay.
90 minus 70 is 20, and then 20 minus 4 is
Again, you are doing mistake.
15.
You already took 4 extra. Instead of giving back, you are subtracting 4 more.
Sorry, it's 24.
Yes. Adding 4, it becomes 24. Then Ananya, your question is K.
Yes, okay. 55 minus 27. Instead of 27, I put 30. And 5 minus 30 is equal to 25. Now 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. So the answer is 28.
28. Then Anvesha, your question is L.
So the last one.
The last one, L.
So 60 minus 57, instead of subtracting 57, I'll subtract with 60. So, oh,
I think directly we can say this, right?
0, sir.
That is 0. Okay. Okay. 60 minus 60 is 0. Then that's your answer.
Answer
0.
Oh, 0, 0 plus 1 is. Wait. Is 0. 0 is 0 plus 1 possible, sir.
Plus 1. Why plus 1? Plus 3,
Okay,
na?
0 plus 3 is 3, so 3.
3. That's your answer. And I think if you observe this question, instead of doing that process, directly we can tell 60 and 57.
Yes.
Just by adding 3, we can get 60.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me explain this G, 66 and 38. All of you see here. 66 and then 38. 66 minus 38. Okay. All of you see here carefully. 66 and 38, right? Here I'll add 4. This becomes 17. If I add the same 4 here also, it becomes 42. Are these two differences are same or different? This one and this one. Tell me.
Why did you make it 42?
Because 66 I made it 70 by adding 4. The same 4 I am adding to 38 also. Becomes 42. Okay.
Same.
Difference will be same. And see one more thing. 38 I'll make it 40 by adding 2. The same 2 I'm adding here also, 66 also. Becomes 68. And it becomes 68. Now tell the difference. In all the 3 cases, difference is same or any difference? Any variation?
I think they're all the same.
Yeah, in all the 3 cases, the difference is same. In all the 3 cases, the answer is same. And in case 1, 2, and 3, which one you feel comfortable? Which one you feel easy? First case or second case or third case?
Sir, for me, second case.
Second case.
Third case.
Third case is easy for everyone. Third case is easy. See, 70 minus 42. Okay, leave that. 68 minus 38. Okay, leave that. 68 minus 66 minus 38. Leave that. 68 minus 40. Simple. 68 minus 40 will be 28.
Yes.
Okay, the same 28 you will get in all the 3 cases. The same 28 you will get in all the 3 cases. But in which case we are getting easily means it is in third case. So we have a terminology in subtractions. So first term is always called minuend, right? First term is the minuend. Second term is called subtrahend. And the resultant will be the difference. Result is the difference. First term is the minuend, second term is the subtrahend, and the resultant is the difference. Okay, so keep this point in mind. What is the point is, always in subtractions, subtrahend is a multiple of 10, then subtraction will be easy. If the subtrahend is a multiple of 10, then the subtraction will be easy.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to the, with this concept, coming to the questions. Just to see question number 1. 44 minus 19, can I consider it as 45 minus 20?
Yes, sir.
45 minus 20, the answer is
45 minus 20,
25. We got it already. It is there. Easy or not?
Easy, sir.
All of you are understanding or not? If you face any problem, just let me know.
I don't know how you got 45.
Sorry?
How did you get 45?
How I got 45 is, see, 44 minus 19. How much you add to minuend? If you add that much to the subtrahend, difference will be same always. The answer will be same. There will be no difference. There will be no change in the answer. Okay. Because I am making 19 as 20, simultaneously I am making 44 as 45. Such that there will be no change in the answer. And now these two cases are easy. Sorry, these two cases are same. But which is easy?
45 minus 20.
20 will be 25. Okay. Now see in question B. In question B, instead of 66 minus 29, can I take it as a 67 minus 30? Both are same or different?
Same.
Same. Then tell me 67 minus 30 is how much?
37.
37. That's the answer. Now see question number 20. Sorry, question number E. Question number E. 52 minus 28. Anyone tell how we will convert this question?
Sir, 52 minus 28 will become 53 and 30.
No.
Huh? Okay.
No. Check again. You made 28 as 30 means you have added how much?
Sir. 54 minus.
Yeah, 54 minus 30. Now it is easy to subtract.
Yes.
Tell me, the result is
24.
24. And can you get the same 24 in the same with the that much easy in this case?
Sir, I don't know about easiness, but answer is.
Okay. Okay, then can anyone tell how we will convert this question? I.
Shall I? Oh.
Sir,
Tell.
36 go 36 go to 40 and 38 to or 83 sorry 83 to 85 and
No. 36 you made it 40.
40
Then 83 how to make it?
85.
No. How much you took extra in case of 36? 36 becomes 40 means 4 extra. Na? The same 4 you have to add to 83 also.
83 plus 4.
Becomes?
87.
Yeah, now the question is same. 87 minus 40 we can do. Now tell me 87 minus 40 is how much?
87 minus 40. 83.
87 minus 40.
Oh, sorry.
Not 4, 40.
47.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay. You need some practice, right? If you have any confusion, just try to see the video again, right? You do the remaining questions, and tomorrow we'll see one more new sutra, and that is very, very important sutra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll stop here.